Venia, this is the most beautiful place where I have slept maybe in my life. Right next to the crashing waves. This was amazing, amazing night. I like it. Just sounds of the sea. Muy lindo lugar. And this is the new week. I wish for everyone to be in the consciousness and with a kind heart. Ah, just be present here and now with love in your heart. Create this world better and better because God doesn't have another hand, just your hands. We can be as creators, or like destroyer. This is our choice. We should be as a flame, influence the positive vibration. Bless you.